Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a G2 ZFORCE 950 Sport. We got Mr. Joel Crane here. Of course, I'm Blake Stallings, the man behind the camera. And we're gonna be taking this OEM exhaust off and showing you how to install the new RJWC exhaust that you can get right here at Main Street Cycle, or go to mainstreetcycle.com, order yours now, get it shipped out to you super quick, and you will be able to follow these instructions and install your exhaust. It sounds awesome. You'll be able to follow this whether you have the G2 ZFORCE 950 Sport or the ZFORCE 800 Trail or 950 Trail. You'll follow these same procedures, and I'm going to let Mr. Joel take it away from here and show you what needs to be done. Pretty simple. Just got to take
the bottom one. Make sure you don't take the top one.
Okay. Top hanger bolt has to stay, but the bottom exhaust hanger comes right off. So you got to remove that nut on this side and remove the bolt that is holding up the OEM exhaust.
All right. Another bolt and nut here, 13 also.
Okay, right there. Let me get it to focus. Yeah. Okay, that's what Joel just removed. Now, up to this point, has everything been the same size?
Yeah,
13 millimeter on everything. That makes install
13
easy.
socket and a wrench.
13 socket and a wrench. Boy, my focus is acting up. There we go. Now you simply just get where you can get that bolt out. Now,
These little pieces will go front until you always get them off.
which ones you got? Okay.
They go on each side. We'll put them back on in there.
Okay. You will have to take the tip off so that you can get it out of the machine. You will need a 10 millimeter wrench to get these 3 bolts off that holds the, or not bolts, but the nuts off. There are some little washers behind that. And you'll remove the exhaust tip just so you can get it, pull the whole muffler out of the machine. Now, the exhaust that we're installing today for you is a pre-production exhaust. We're actually filming this on Friday, April 14th. Oh, he's pulling that out. Okay. Friday the 14th of April. And this is just a pre-production model that we're helping RJWC test fit before the production exhaust is put into production, and which, now that you're watching this video, it is available for purchase and ready to be shipped out to you. So Joel's just going to simply line this up. Now, that's the stock spacer that's up there.
Yeah, it stays in there, and then we're going to put these back on there.
Okay. Stock spacer, and he's putting those exhaust washers up there. Oh yeah. And this is all the OEM hardware, right?
Oh, this is,
Well,
comes with this bolt.
yeah, that's right. So one thing, while he's putting the bolt up right there, one thing that, we didn't show you on this particular install video is when you get your exhaust, it's going to come in the box without these brackets mounted. So that is something that you will have to do, but it's super simple. You'll simply line these clamps up, put those Allen head bolts in, and now on your production model exhaust, this may look slightly different. The logo may be moved over slightly. So anyways, but the install procedure is still the same no matter what. But you'll line up this bracket and put the black hanger bracket right here, and then same thing on this side. Really simple to do. And you can you can dry fit this and put it into the machine, make sure everything lines up nice and neat, and then get it where you can secure and tighten all that down. We'll watch him tighten this up. I could get out of Joel's way. This would be a lot easier. But there we go. So install's done. All you missed right here was Joel simply putting these exhaust bolts right here on the flange. He just tightened those down with the spring, and that's the OEM hardware there. And dude, that's it. You had to also install this pipe right here to the exhaust? These bolts?
Well, this one, pre-production, it come already put together. We've already been working on it.
Right.
But yeah, on all the other RJWC, you have to put this on, these 5 bolts, and then put the 2 brackets on that actually hold the muffler.
Okay, so yeah, real simple to do, guys, and nothing that you can't figure out and do and follow this video. Tighten all these down, and you've got it, man. And bolts right up, looks super good. We're about to take some pictures for RJWC and send that to old Robin and the crew at RJWC Power Sports. But remember, you can get this exhaust at mainstreetcycle.com. Follow this video, and I hope it has helped you out. Let's fire it up, dude. See what it sounds like. It's 950 engine with this exhaust. First fire up. Yeah. Wow. And we're in the dyno room. It's kind of loud in here. Oh yeah, sounds wonderful. Well guys, just like every one of our exhausts, our RJWC exhaust here, every time we put them on the dyno and run them, it definitely adds more power. It definitely gives it better and cooler exhaust temperatures because of just the way it flows and less restriction and all. And man, it looks great. So it does remove the that tip that comes out right here, but it does not look awkward at all, especially in person, because you can see that beautiful badge there, which, like I said, this is pre-production. All that will be centered up a little bit, so it's going to look awesome on your unit and sound amazing and give you plenty of power, and the people are going to hear you coming. So that installation procedure, very simple. So if you have a 950 Sport like this one, or the Gen 2 ZFORCE 800 trail, or ZFORCE 950 trail, the Gen 2 model, this exhaust, this installation procedure will work for you. So I hope that was very helpful. Thank you, Mr. Joel, for always showing the people how to make things happen on your CFMOTO. That's going to do it for this video. MainStreetCycle.com. Please support us. Go there, make your purchase. Also look on there because we've got tons of products, accessories, boxes, performance stuff, clutch kits, tune, everything you need, all at one place, MainStreetCycle.com. God bless y'all. As always, remember to keep it real. We'll see you in the next one.